Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Nature's Miracle Laundry is probably one of the most effective solutions for tackling stubborn pet stains and odors right in your washing machine, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and clean without any lingering smells or discoloration, making it an indispensable addition to any pet owner's laundry routine. Number 5. Enzyme Laundry Booster Odor Remover, 2 pounds unscented powder. Tired of stubborn stains and lingering odors? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle even the toughest messes in your laundry. Enjoy a truly clean scent without artificial fragrances. This natural deodorizer uses bioactive enzymes to break down odors effectively. From sweat and oil to blood, this enzymatic cleaner penetrates deep to lift and remove a wide range of stains. Simply add it to your regular wash cycle. It works as an additive to enhance your detergent's cleaning power. With 64 loads in each container, you get exceptional cleaning performance that lasts. Experience a new level of clean for your clothes. What we like? This laundry booster uses bioactive enzymes to break down stubborn odors and stains. It's unscented, making it a great choice for sensitive skin or those who dislike fragrance. If you're dealing with persistent odors from sweat, oil, or even blood, this powder additive is designed to eliminate them effectively, ensuring your clothes come out truly clean and fresh. What people say. This product is great for removing pet stains and odors. It works on all types of fabrics and is safe for use in high-efficiency machines. The formula is concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Number 4. Nature's Miracle Stain and Odor Remover, 1 gallon. Accidents happen, but they don't have to last. Our powerful formula is designed to tackle the toughest pet messes. Say goodbye to stubborn stains from urine and feces. It effectively breaks down and removes these common pet accidents. Don't just cover up odors, eliminate them. This solution gets to the root of the smell, leaving your home fresh. From vomit to drool, no mess is too challenging. It's formulated to handle a variety of organic messes with ease. Rely on a trusted solution for all your pet's organic stains. It provides a deep clean you can count on. Get more cleaning power with this generous 1 gallon size. It's perfect for frequent use and larger homes. What we like? This powerful formula is specifically designed to tackle the toughest pet-related messes like urine, feces, and vomit. Its large gallon size makes it an economical choice for households with multiple pets or frequent accidents. If you're a pet owner constantly battling pet stains and odors, this is your go-to solution for a truly clean home. What people say. The product is very effective in removing tough stains and odors from laundry. It leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean without any harsh chemical smells. The formula is gentle on fabrics, even delicates, and helps to maintain their color and texture. Number 3. Nature's Miracle Stain and Odor Remover Dog. Accidents happen, but they don't have to be a lasting problem. Our enzymatic formula is designed to break down tough stains and odors. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them. This powerful remover targets the source of the smell, leaving your home fresh. Keep your home clean and fresh with this everyday solution. It's safe to use around your furry friends. Harnessing the power of enzymes, it works to neutralize odors effectively. Say goodbye to lingering smells. For years, pet parents have trusted this solution for their cleaning needs. It's a reliable choice for any pet owner. This generous 32-ounce bottle provides plenty of cleaning power for all your pet's messes. Keep your home spotless. What we like? This spray is formulated for everyday pet messes, making it easy to tackle unexpected accidents. Its enzymatic action works to break down odors and stains effectively. If you need a quick and convenient solution for common pet messes like drool or minor accidents, this 32-ounce spray is perfect for keeping your home fresh. What people say. It works great on pet stains and odors. This laundry additive is effective at removing tough stains and smells from pet messes. Number 2. Puracy Stain Remover Travel Laundry Cleaner. Introducing Puracy Stain Remover, your ultimate solution for tackling tough stains wherever you are. This powerful formula works on a variety of fabrics, making laundry day a breeze. Our unscented stain remover is designed to be tough on stains but gentle on your clothes and sensitive skin. It effectively removes everything from baby messes to everyday spills. This versatile cleaner is perfect for your travel bag or laundry room. Keep it handy for unexpected spills and stains on clothes, baby essentials, and more. Don't let oil or fabric spots ruin your favorite items. This spray effectively breaks down and lifts even the most stubborn stains, restoring your fabrics. You can trust this stain remover for all your laundry needs, including delicate baby clothes and essentials. It provides a deep clean without harsh chemicals. Enjoy a powerful clean without any added fragrance. Our hypoallergenic formula is safe for the whole family, including those with sensitive skin. What we like. This stain remover comes in a convenient travel size, perfect for on-the-go emergencies. It's unscented, making it safe for baby essentials and sensitive fabrics. If you're looking for a versatile spot cleaner that can handle everything from baby spills to oil stains on various fabrics, this spray is an excellent choice for your travel bag or diaper caddy. What people say. This product is a game changer for pet owners, effectively removing tough stains and odors from laundry. The formula is gentle on fabrics while still being powerful enough to tackle even the most stubborn pet messes. It leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean, without any lingering chemical scent. Number 1. Zero Odor Laundry Odor Eliminator 16 ounces. Are stubborn smells clinging to your clothes even after washing? It's time to experience a new level of clean with our revolutionary solution. Our patented molecular technology works to permanently eliminate odors, not just mask them. Enjoy truly fresh laundry every time. This powerful formula is perfect for all your laundry needs. Use it on clothes, towels, linens, and even shoes and bags. Simply add it to your wash cycle and let it work its magic. It rinses clean, leaving behind nothing but freshness. Rediscover the joy of wearing clothes that smell as good as they look. Get your 16-ounce bottle today and refresh your laundry routine. What we like. This product utilizes patented molecular technology to permanently eliminate laundry odors, rather than just masking them. It's designed to work on a wide range of items, from clothes and towels to shoes and bags. If you're tired of lingering smells in your laundry that even regular washing can't remove, this odor eliminator offers a lasting solution for all your fabric items. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love this product, it is very effective. This product is amazing and works wonders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.